Hi guys, this is Canon iSensus LPB673CDW. In this video I will show you how to reset this printer to its factory settings. First of all, let me warn you that if you have only network connection issues, you don't have to reset the wall printer settings. You need to reset just only network. To do this, use the navigation arrows to select menu on the home screen. Menu, now go to preferences, find network. Press OK. Now press the up arrow once and select Initialize Network Settings like this. Answer yes to this question and restart your printer. To restart, just press and hold the power button like this until the display gets white. Now it will turn off. And that's it. Now just press the power button once again. And the printer is restarted and your network settings are reset. But if you still need to reset this printer to the factory default, do next. Once again, select the menu item, press OK, and go to Management Settings. OK. Now press up arrow once and select Initialize All Data/Settings. OK. The data/file stored in the device will be deleted and all settings will be initialized. To go to the next screen, press OK, and now select yes and press OK, and your printer will be completely reset. And you will have to set it up from scratch, like select your country, set date and time. So I won't reset my printer, just do it if you need. And that's it guys, I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye!